Picture yourself in the 2017 Hyundai Santa Fe. With less than 90,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle stands out from the rest. Relax and enjoy the road trip in this convenient, well-equipped Santa Fe. Crossover versatility, striking looks, the latest infotainment and safety tech, and a spacious, comfortable cabin are yours in this stylish, family-focused SUV. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: Bluetooth connection, electronic stability control, rear spoiler, traction control, daytime running lights, 6-speed AT, cruise control, AM/FM stereo, power door locks, power steering. Get the comfort, features, and style you deserve. This Santa Fe is waiting to take you places. Our team will give you an outstanding test drive experience. Stop in today.